Hey you guys, it's Toya and thank you for watching Toya J TV. We're moving right along for this series this week and probably the next few weeks. I am going to do an ponytail, okay? So, I'm going to be using other hair though, not just my own hair. So, since I'm going to be wearing my hair up, I kind of went extra with the moisture. So, I did the moisturizing shampoo. I did the intense moisturizing treatment. Right now, I am spraying on the leave-in. All right. So now I'm just going to detangle. And it's going to be extremely easy to do my hair this week because there's be no heat involved. So I will be doing this for probably maybe the next 3, possibly 4 weeks. So the good thing about it is, you know, I won't have to worry about putting any heat on it, and the tying up at night is going to be a breeze. So I'm thinking my ponytail is going to be not on top of my head, maybe like right here. Yeah, I think that's where the ponytail will be. All right. So now all I have to do is blow dry, which I'll be right back after I blow dry, and then I'm just gonna put it up, put my ponytail on, and I'm done. Like, this is gonna be so easy. All I can do my whole hair probably in like 30 minutes. But yeah, I decided to do, I don't necessarily call a ponytail a protective style because some of your hair is still out. But I mean, if you want to call it that, you can. I'm just saying, I'm putting my hair up this week, okay? So there'll be no heat, no curling, no flat ironing, but I will be blow drying. Which I really don't have to blow dry, but I'm kind of pressed on time right now. And I'm going to be blow drying just like how I'm combing straight to the back. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry. I'm going to put a little bit more leave-in in. Okay? Alright, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I blow dried my hair, and now I'm just going to go ahead and get it up in the ponytail. Alright, you guys, so it's the next day, and basically I tied my hair up in order to make my edges lay extremely flat. Since I did not do heat, I needed something to lay my edges down. Okay, so this is perfect. Alright, and then I'll take my ponytail. I made this. This is just a drawstring. So my ponytail will fit in here. Well, my little bun thing will fit in there. And then I'll just pull the drawstring. around just so you don't see any tracks. I'm gonna pin this. And voila. Have a ponytail. I'm actually gonna get those drawstrings out the way. Okay, and there you have it. Easy peasy. That didn't even take 5 minutes to put on. All right, so what I'm gonna do is for the rest of the week wear this, but at night I'll take it off, tie it back like I had it last night, and then when I wake up, put the ponytail back on. Easy. All right. So this will be my no heat style for the week. I'm gonna have fun swinging this ponytail. All right, you guys, so that will conclude this week for the How to Stretch and Relaxer for Healthier Hair series. And I hope to see you all next week. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all next week. Talk to you then. Bye-bye.